Hey guys, now we'll see how to do a file-based routing in Next.js, or you can say how to do routing. So basically you have pages folder. So inside this, you just create any URL you want to. Okay. Suppose I want a about page. So you just say about.js. That's it. Just put a about.js file in pages folder. We can delete this API folder. I mean, not needed. So we'll just create a about.js. Now I told you it's a page in index. We are creating a, what do you say, this component in about.js. Also we have to create a component. So we'll say function about and this, and we'll say return, and we'll have a h1, and we'll say this is a about page. Okay, sorry guys. And as export default about. Okay, now we save it. So now our about page is ready. So if I go here, this is the index page. Now if I put a slash about, boom, we got the about page. See how is it, how easy it is. If I make a contact us.js, now here I can just say rfce, I mean just remove the react part, not needed, and I will say here h1, and it will be contact us page. Save it, and we can just go to contact us. Boom, we got the contact us page. If you go to base, it will be the base. Okay, base index.js. So let me make it h1 also, because it's the only one which is in small. See, so easy. So it supports file based routing. Just create the file name in your pages folder, and it will be served as a, you can say, URL. Okay, it's so easy. Now suppose you have this about page. Now suppose I make the a capital. Maybe I make the a capital. Export default a capital about page. Outer is small case, no problem. Inside I have made it the like capitals. So if I go to about page, boom, working, no problem. If I make everything capital, supposingly about about, okay, save it, refresh, working fine, no problem. What if I change the name of the function? I say about 123, and here also about 123. Okay, save it, reload. See, totally working fine, no problem. So your component function doesn't have to be same as the file name. Okay, it can be anything, whatever you feel like, but the basic is like it should be same as the file name, because that helps us like in, I mean, in working and all. Okay, now suppose this about, I change this file to capital letter. Now my a will be capital. Okay, previously it was small, now I made it capital. About.js, go here, reload, 404. Okay, we made a capital. Now try with capital A. Boom, error. See, automatic, it's making it small only, my browser. So this part should be in small letters. Keep remember that. Okay, so I think you got how to create a basically these routes. Now suppose I want, so this is index.js, you know, the main entry point. I want slash blog. Suppose I have a blogging website, slash blog and blog 1 blog 2. Okay, how do I do that? Because here I can just give only one slash about, I can't give slash this. Okay, whatever it is, how do I do that? So very simple guys, just put a pages, in the pages pick a new folder and name it whatever you want to name. So I want it to be named as blogs. Okay, so it will be slash blogs. Okay, so now if I go to slash blogs, completely empty. Why? Because this is a blogs folder, but there are no any file. So for the first file, you can name it as index.js. Okay, So this will be the always the entry point of your blogs. Okay, so if I just make it RFCE, and here I can just say blog. So now you see we got the blogs. How? I told in the blogs folder. Okay, so blogs folder, the blogs will become a sub URL. See, this became a sub URL. Inside that, serve the page. Okay, this page got served. So it'll be like, okay, I will have created pages like blogs directly. Then also it will be same, yeah. But this is being served as a blogs index page. Now we can just create any other page also inside it. So we'll say blog one dot blog health, maybe health.js. Now I can just do RFCE, remove this, blogs health. Now the base of the blogs will serve the same index.js, but if I go to blog health, if I go to blogs slash blog health, see we got the blogs health part. See how is easy it is. We got blogs health. So same way we can just put blogs, maybe blog personal.js. Same way whatever we are doing here, and we'll change it to personal. Now if I go here to blog personal, we got some error. Okay, this is not change. Yeah, export default. See, we got a personal blog page. So we have created a base, we can say a sub URL for blogs. So it will always come to blogs, then whatever page have you written, then it will be served, otherwise the index.js. But what if you write the wrong name? That page is not present, okay, inside that, okay, then it will be a 404 error. But if you do nothing, it will serve the index folder, index file of blogs. Okay guys, I think that is pretty much clear. But suppose I want a dynamic URL. Maybe there is a new folder I'll create. I will just create a folder. So that will be called maybe what do I say? Name anything. I will be like blogs. So in blogs we'll suppose pictures. Okay. I mean blogs only. Okay. Let blogs only. Or blogging. Okay, yeah, blogging will be okay. Okay, we come to blogging, but inside blogging I want to create a dynamic URL. So anyone can come and write slash they can write slash health, they can write slash personal, so that will not be present, so that will be dynamic. How do we do that? Okay, so inside this we can just create a new file and we can just name it anything. So this should be in square bracket, so I'll say type. Okay, maybe anything you want, type. Okay, type and dot js, so it will be square bracket both the side, then in between type, then dot js. Save it, we got it. Now we'll create a functional component. Obviously this will not be there. Okay, now we'll say h1. Now we'll say type of blogging. So if I go to personal, I get a 404 error. Oh, sorry, we are inside blogging. Yeah, blogging slash personal type of blogging. Okay, so we are getting whatever we write, that page will be served. But if we don't write anything, then it won't be served, because I have put if someone writes something, then this page will be served. Or you can just put the index.js if you want that page to be served in blogging. So we can put here RFCE, and this will be like h1 index page of blogging. Save it, and you can see index page of blogging. But if you put a slash and write something, then this page will be served. Okay, this page. Okay, but now the condition is this page is being served, but how do I get the data? I mean, maybe someone is writing health, someone is writing blogs, finance, whatever. I want to show data regarding that. So we can just import use router from next router. Then we'll go to function, we'll say constant router equals to use router, and here we'll say constant type. So yeah, type equals to router.query dot, and here it will come the type, and here we'll just say type. So typically we are taking the data from the router.query type. Why is called type? Because here you have given type only, so it will show type. Okay, now this will come or like automatically. Why this use router? Okay, see now whatever you like. So if I say health, we got the health, we got personal. So you can fetch the data from API or whatever, wherever you want. Personal, you can say income came here. But if you don't want to destructure it, you can just do router.query.type, and this should be same as this only. Okay guys, now you can just say constant type directly also. Okay, so this variable name can anything, type 123, type 123. Okay, see, perfectly working fine. But make sure this is equal to this file name. If I make type 123, then that will be a null. See, nothing comes because it can't find that data. So it should be same as the file name, especially if you are using this nested dynamic routing. Okay, see, so easy. So I think this is all about routing in Next.js. You can create your routes, index route, and okay, you can say child routes, and this dynamic routes, everything you can create pretty much easily. And suppose if you want slash blogging, and inside there also you want to slash health folder, inside health you want to say kidney.js, maybe, or stomach, maybe you want to give health about your stomach. So you can just put a RFCE, and you can just put a h1. This is a stomach health route. So now how it will work, tell me guys. Basically how it will work, firstly you have to go to slash blogging folder. So it will be base URL slash blogging, then slash health, then slash stomach. Okay, if you just stop at slash health, nothing will appear because we don't have index.js. If you want something to appear at health only, we have to create index.js folder, oh sorry, file. Now if I come here, if I just make blogging slash health, we got health. So how are we getting health? Okay, yeah, it's directly coming to, obviously this is dynamic route, so it's coming here. Okay, into type. So if I say slash what do I say, stomach, see, these are stomach health route. So this file is being served. Okay, and by default it's not picking health, it was directly picking this as a dynamic route. Because this is, I made a dynamic route. Okay, so this was all about file based routing guys. So I think you got each and everything about how to do this stuff and how to use file based routing. Thank you guys.